Ready to share your big news, but a little nervous about how to do it right? Let's walk through how to declare your pregnancy step by step to make sure it's a smooth and happy process for everyone. First up, timing is everything. While it's tempting to shout it from the rooftops, the moment you see that positive test, many people wait until after the first trimester. This is usually around the 12-week mark, when the risk of miscarriage significantly drops. It gives you time to process the news yourself and get past those initial, often tough few weeks. Of course, this is your news, so the right time is whenever you feel comfortable. Next, decide who to tell first. Typically, your partner is the very first person to know. After that, it's usually close family and best friends. Think about who you'd want for support if you needed it. It's best they hear it directly from you, not through the grapevine. A simple phone call, a video chat, or a special in-person visit makes it personal and memorable. Now, let's talk about telling your boss and coworkers. For your boss, schedule a private meeting. It's a professional courtesy and helps with planning. Before this meeting, look into your company's maternity leave policy so you're prepared. You can say something like, "I have some exciting personal news to share. I'm pregnant, and my due date is around this date. I'm fully committed to ensuring a smooth transition before my leave." For coworkers, you can be more casual. You might tell your work bestie over coffee or let the news spread naturally after you've informed your manager. And finally, the big social media announcement. This is the fun part. Whether it's a cute photo of the ultrasound, tiny baby shoes, or a clever sign, make it reflect your personality. Just remember, once it's online, it's public. So make sure you've told all the important people in your life personally before you post. There's no single right way to do this, so just have fun with it. Sharing your pregnancy news is a huge milestone. By thinking through the who, when, and how, you can make it a joyful experience without any added stress. Congratulations on this exciting new chapter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.